Okay, hi everyone. This is the project I've been talking about. I mentioned it in the last video. So, what I did here is I built or I assembled these components on a perf board. As you can see, I try to make it compact as possible because I wanna put this intend to put it inside inside a wall switch, not a wall switch, but the place where it holds. I don't know what they call that in English. So as you can see, we're using here the NRF24L01 as the transmission model or transmission module. Sorry for my pronunciation over there. Anyways, so we got the Mega here connected to my PC. Well, it doesn't. It's just for power, and that's the module is connected to it, and it's sending data wirelessly, as they say, through radio frequency waves or something like that. I don't know how this module works, but so what we have here is I've got the Ono or the Nano, sorry, the Nano over there. I soldered some headers in order so I can remove it so easily if I want to. I also put some headers for the module. Some resistors, an LED, a diode, and a transistor for the relay operation, and some connectors. These are the outputs of the relay. It's common, normally closed and normally open terminals. And we got a power supply for the relay, relays coil, and power supply coming here for the nano and the module and its operation, its circuitry. So actually this relay here is a 12 volt. That's what I'm supplying it with, this power supply from here. Alright. The nano just supplied by a USB hub over there. No big deal, it doesn't need so much. So what I wanna do, I wanna run both of them at 5 volts, but I still don't have 5-volt relays. When I get done, I'm gonna get one. I'm replace this one right here. So it's working. It's just I need to put a common ground over here, and you will see that this relay, I just made it like blinking for 1 second, and it's right in digital high and off with a 1 second difference. So as I said in the last video, if you've watched it, the code of this blinking or this alternation is on the Mega, not on the Nano. The Nano just picks up what the state is from the module transmission, and it just outputs it on the digital pin number 5, which I've connected here to the transistor, to the base of the transistor right there. So that's basically how the project works. I'm just gonna remove the common ground over there, but when I get them like they're both, I'm gonna power them with the same source. So I tend to use some of these wall chargers when I get out of the case, and just try to fit it behind the board right there and screw it or something like that. And when I insert it inside this, behind this wall switch, I'll just connect the mains to it and it will charge, and connect also the try to connect the main to the relay, and then the output to the wall switch, or to the wall outlet if that need be. So that's basically the project. As I said in the previous video, I need to add just wrote this program for test now, but I need to add Bluetooth module to the transmitter and control the data that is being sent by the transmitter using a smartphone. As you can check that out with the video that I made. I talked about I've used that to control the relay board, which is hidden over there. I don't have access to it. Just anyways, so yeah, that's what's up, and I guess that's all. Is there anything that I missed? Nah. So that'll be it, and thanks for watching.